Hey Blue Jacob, how much longer are we going to be sitting in this plane? Well, Red Jacob, there's only 2 more hours left until the plane makes its first landing to drop off some people, and then we have to wait an additional 5 hours to make it to our destination. So we have to wait 7 more hours. Can't you make this plane go any faster? I'm sick and tired of waiting. I can't control the plane, Red.
What can I get for you boys?
Me and Blue Jacob would like some cookie cola.
Cookie cola, eh? Well, about that, we're all out of cookie cola cans.
Okay, everybody, calm down. It's not the end of the world. We can go buy some juice.
Guys?
Incoming! Alright, the nightmare I had sounds ridiculous. How would we, Jacobs, ever panic whenever the airplane doesn't have any cookie colas? I can't control your trains, Blue.
May I have your attention, please? The airplane kitchen has just ran out of cookie cola cans. If you would like to purchase anything else from the menu, please wait for the flight attendant to arrive at your own. Thank you.
Ah!